This lawnmower tractor have a white smoke come out when we start, and the model is 2003, bought it in Sears, about $700 or $800, and no longer have this model. So I try to fix it. Of course, that as a lady 60s, I tried to fix it in an easy way first, and so I changed the battery. It still doesn't work. Of course, that is not that problem. And I changed the fuel filter, this one here, and then add a new set of holes here. It still doesn't work, so I researched YouTube. They are talking about this carburetor, and then also need to change the oil, and then need to drill this one, let the oil come out here, and you can see very dirty. So the first thing I think I will do is clean this up and try all the suggestions and see what happens. Very weird. While parking position, the engine can run. The motor oil have a lot of gas smell. Definitely that need to terrible smell. And oops. So I need to open this part to drain it, but the screw I don't know how to. I try, and then I cannot open it. So maybe I need to go to buy some more tools. The engine oil, this one, had a little bit gas smell. It's no good. Need to do all the thing all over again. What I will do is, I saw the YouTube. I will open this and then clamp the pipe and see is it the gas will flow down, and then they have the rain, and then I will put it up, see is it the needle pin can stop that. If not, there's something wrong here. I don't need to take the whole thing out. If something wrong, then I will take the whole thing out again. So after take the parts out, you can see that disconnect this part. The cover is, where's the camera? Okay. The cover is like this, dirty, so we need to clean up. And now is clean up the dust on the top. 15 years old dust, and then take the parts out. According to another YouTuber say that I need to wash it or clean it, whatever. So let me try. See, I turn the needle. I use this, and then turn the nut underneath, and then it's dripping even though I clamp the pipe. So I also ordered this gasket, but the diameter is is a little bit small, so I scratch it a little bit wider. I don't know is it the right way, but I like this a little bit and make sure that that is totally perfect on the edge. So it looks like much better now. Or maybe I should put here gray. Then I should try one more time. So I unscrew this cup underneath, and when I unscrew the screwdriver that have a lot of I don't know, it's oil or gas that come out, so I use the milk tan to catch it, and then this one drop like this. Let me clean it up as much as I can. This carbonator need to take it out. Two screw already is insert here, is already take it out, and then one is here. And I want to take a picture about this in case when I put it back, I don't know, I forget the position. This hook and this one is not as easy as that. I think can take the whole part out, but so I changed my mind. That on the bottom that have the, so I unscrew it, it's full of the gas, so I drain it, and then this one is on top, so I took out the pin. Looks like fine. And I saw another YouTuber that clean up these things underneath. So I will use some wire or toothpicks to clean up the holes, or spray some things instead of that, take the whole things out. Hope it can work. Okay, lady cleanup have the advantage is that we have this kind of pin that I can use it. I know that a lot of guys that use the wire, and then I will try this. The wire too thin. I don't know if they are dirty, can that clean it up? Okay, so let me try. The carbonator, this one here, I take it out, and you see the needle. A lot of people say it should replace, so I already ordered that. And I don't want to take all the things out. I'm lazy. I know that everyone is taking the things out. I just want to make a shortcut. Hope that it works. Original, I don't want to take this carbonate out. After I put everything back, actually I changed the pin inside already, but the gasket here, not this one, this here have the gasket, it dripped the engine oil, so I take it apart. This hook is pretty difficult to take it apart from the carbonator, but anyway, now it's here, so I should clean it up according to another YouTuber say. So I try to clean it up now. I know a lot of people will take this out and then clean it but I'm lazy and looks like have a lot of work to do. So what I'm doing is that I use the Q-tip and the toothpaste to pop on the hose and see can that clean it up. Give it a try. Okay, put everything back. I think solve half the problem. If I can just let the engine oil clean up, that the problem should be solved. Anyone can tell me what happened, why it did not start? The carburetor still dropped the gas, and then when I turn off the engine, that start, but the engine start. But if I release the pedal, the engine stop. So I need to take out the carburetor again and see what can I do for it. That is the third time, but at least that is it very clean. Put it back again. Cross the finger. If that still doesn't work, I will take the whole carburetor out again, but a lot of job, a lot of work, because you need to take this out, take this out. Maybe think about to change a new one. Let me see. The new carburetor just arrived, this one. And then this one, I ordered the ring. It's too long, so I cut it. And then looks like perfect shape, but after a while, not a while, they still leak. So I took it out and then I see it's already like this shape. It's terrible. So, and then actually this is new. All the thing looks like good. I slip it in the gas one day, clean it up, but I don't want to try anymore. So I order a new one from the eBay, $17, arrive it. I will put it back, but I let several guys that listen to my lawnmowers, the sound. They have two guesses. One is that the electricity, the wire, maybe have the problem, or the underneath the bell or the pulley have problem. So after I put this back, I will check the wire first, because when I open it, the first time I opened it, I saw a nut is stuck in some part. So I just took it out and throw it away. Probably the squirrel or the chipmunk already climbed into it. So that electricity, the wire is easier to fix for me. If that is the pulley, it's a little bit difficult for me, so I check that first. So now I'm going to put this new one. Let me see. Okay, back to here. It should be, looks like this. Okay. Open the cover again. Actually, very stupid. Not really need to do it because the cable is here, and some of them is here. Actually, don't have to open everything, and then looks okay. Did not see anything wrong. Double check. Everything looks good, but I don't know why. Everything looks good, but doesn't run. And then stop. So I decided to let the engine run several minutes. Hope that it can work again. Put the muffler back, and I need to put these two screws, and then I insert this. Okay, open this part. Very dirty. We need to clean it up. The gasket, do we need to change the gasket? The gasket is here. We can take a look later. Change the new gasket. This is the old one. Already put it in. But one thing, I think everyone know how to put the screw back on. But because my machine is 2003, a long time ago, so the screw, some of them may not fit to another one. So this one is very tight, so I need to try every single one and see which one is the original one, put it in the right spot. So when you take it out, be careful. And then looks like I missed one of the screw here. Okay, and then this is the new spark plug.